Hi class, today we're going to be working on the eye. But first, what do? We have to rewind to the beginning. So we are going to start, make sure you have enough room so you can move around, move, stand up and get ready. A says ah, ah, ah. B says b, b, b. C says k, k, k. D says d, d, d. E says uh. F says G says g, g, g. H says h, h, h. Now today is I. I as in ice cream, my favorite, and iceberg cold, but always really nice on a summer day. All right, I says I. So Iggy inchworm is just a little tiny inchworm. And when it goes to move, because it's got to get really far, and it's so tiny, it takes a long time. So I says I. One more time. I says I. Now we're going to be doing our handwriting on I. You guys ready? You're going to need your pencil and you're going to need your colors for this. All right, we are going to be doing our eyes. So I have my pencil here and my crayons here. Notice all my crayons are still in the box, all nice and neat, but I'm going to put them aside for me just for a second. Now I already have my name on there, and I'm going to go up to the top corner. The eye goes from the sky all the way down to the grass. Now you got to have it. You got to give it a hat and some shoes, or a line in the sky, a line in the grass. The lowercase starts at our horizon, or our dotted lines, goes all the way down to our grass. It does not go any higher than our dotted lines, but its little eyeball, its eyeball gets to float up into the sky. We're going to go down to our eyes, and we are going to be practicing them. There's a lot of them because eyes are a little easier to draw or to write. They're just little sticks. So we're going to go to our first one. You're going to go from the sky to the grass, a line in the sky, a line in the grass. Sky, grass, a line in the sky, a line in the grass. Sky, grass, a line in the sky, a line in the grass. Now I'm going to go down to my eyes down here. You guys are going to finish all of your eyes all the way across, tracing them. I'm going to go down for here, and I'm going to start at the sky to the grass. Now I'm not done. I still need to do my line in the sky, a line in the grass. Ready? Oh, I'm going to use my yellow for my spacer, or my finger space. We normally do our finger space, our yellow finger space, between words. But right now we're going to be using them between our letters. So we're going to do from the sky to the grass, line in the sky, line in the grass. I'm going to do one more. Ready? Sky to the grass, a line in the sky, a line in the grass. I'm going to go down to my little eyes, or lowercase eyes. I'm going to start at my dotted line, the horizon to the grass, an eyeball in the sky. Horizon to the grass, an eyeball in the sky. So the horizon to the grass, eyeball in the sky. Let's go down here. We're going to do from the horizon to the grass, eyeball in the sky. Now I need my little spacer to make sure there's enough room. The horizon to the grass, eyeball in the sky. When we are doing our eyeball in the sky, I want you guys to make sure you're not doing a huge eyeball in the sky. We don't need a huge eyeball in the sky, and you don't want it connected, because that kind of looks like a tree. We're not going to be making trees, we're making eyes. So we don't want it to look like that. You don't want your eye to go way up here either, because your eye is not supposed to be up in the sky. The only part of your eye that's up in the sky is the little dot, the eyeball up in the sky. So we're not going to do it like that either. So from the horizon to the grass, eyeball in the sky. All right. Now we're going to go back to our different pictures that we have here. We've got an igloo, ice cream, and an iguana. I is kind of cool because I says both the sound for the Iggy inchworm, and it also says I. It's one of our vowels, so it says two different sounds, and I. That's why there's an igloo, ice cream, and an iguana. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you for our next letter, which is J. Goodbye.